elephant toothpaste. Here's what you'll need: coloring food, plate, a bottle, and the plate. The plate is just if your elephant toothpaste went high, and dish soap and yeast with warm water. So let's start. Peroxide in the bottle. Inside the bottle. First we're gonna put in stuff in the hydrogen peroxide. You're just gonna put in the dish soap, because if you put the yeast, maybe you can put the yeast first, but we don't wanna try that. Yeah, so it's gonna go up already. Maybe it's gonna go up. So I'll put a little bit of dish soap here. It's not gonna explode, guys. Next, I'm gonna put all of this here. Next color. I'm gonna make the striped kind of toothpaste. Like, you lean it and then you put the coloring food where you need. Like what Ash is doing now. She just got the idea from me. Okay. This. I'm just gonna put a little. Okay, Ash is just gonna make a cute, colorful one. I make one colorful. No, it's not. It's colorful. It's blackish full. It's not gonna work pink.
You have to put it on the side, Asher.
Huh?
You have to put it on the side of the bottle.
Mommy, the side one is a striped one, so you can make it the color.
Asher, she's putting it in the middle.
It's okay.
Okay, go mix it for me. Put it on the side. Put it on the side.
Okay.
I think that's enough coloring food. You have so much already.
So much stripe. Oh, I know what happened when it's stripe. Okay, we're gonna. I think this is gonna be the sharpest video ever because it's so easy. You can use safety goggles and gloves, but it's not gonna explode in your face. Yeah, and we even don't have safety goggles. So we're gonna put in the yeast. I'm gonna put in the yeast. Actually, I think you put too much. You go first. No, you go first. Actually, we're scared of it. So I think it will go up. Put it a little closer to our viewers. Over there. Here. Okay, you first. Fine. Yeah. It's gonna explode. It's peachy and colorful. Yeah, it's colorful like purple. Cool. It's hot first, so don't touch it until it cools down a little. Here, actually. I'm gonna touch it right now. Ash is gonna touch it while it's still hot. I'm always crazy, you know. Looks like poop. It's warm, not hot. hot. So if you also try cold water with the yeast, it still won't be cold. It will be hot. Look at this. It didn't show up here, but it's here. It's still exploding a bit though. But now we're gonna touch it. There's a little green there, like Asher's, but Asher's is more greener. There's a blue there. And okay. It's exploding. There's blue here only. So you can also use potassium iodide, but we don't have that. If you use the other kind of hydrogen peroxide, it will be like the high one, or it will just be foamy like a volcano. I have green hands. Like a zombie. I don't know. Mine is now warm. And it has little dots. See? I think I like mine. I like mine also. It has little dots also. It's like the soldier green. Like what soldiers do.
Ha! Ha! Ha!
So, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell button. And you can try this too. Well, write what you need in the comments down below. And pick what color you want. I mean, in the cap. After, we're gonna put it where you can see what we did. No, no, no. Asher, don't put it there. It's gonna get greeny. So, oh, it's blue down there. I'll put this in.